Greetings everyone. Today we are going to discuss a problem B, permutation swaps from Codeforces around 873. Uh, the problem is like that we have given an unsorted permutation, and to sort that permutation we can choose an constant integer k and do some operation, okay, and we can swap two integers in the ith position and jth position, okay, such that I minus j should always be equal to k, okay. And what is the maximum value of k that you can choose to sort the given permutation, okay. The problem is like that. So uh, let's take five numbers a, b, c, d and e, okay. We have five numbers. If I take k equal to 2, okay, k equal to 2, so I can only swap these numbers and these, okay. These numbers can easily be interchanged among themselves, and these numbers can be easily interchanged among themselves, okay. Okay, correct. So so to choose such numbers, okay, like so this is the first intuition, that if I choose a particular k, I I I am always able to interchange some particular elements with each others, okay. Now let's take a second observation, that for every ith element, or every like let's just take indexing, okay, like index of an array goes like 1 2 3 4 5, okay. These are some indexes, and the elements in these indexes are, oh, let me take some test case, okay. uh, like 7, this one, okay. 4 2 6 7 5, 4 2 6 7 5, okay. 4 2 6 7 5 3 1 3 1, okay. So these are some numbers, okay. So what I can observe in this, in this test case, the second thing, the first thing is that I can only interchange if I choose some k numbers, okay. Let's say our k is 2, so I can only interchange these numbers among themselves, okay, so that they become sorted. And if I choose like let me choose k equal to 3, okay, so it will interchange here, and this will interchange uh, here, okay, nice, okay. So the second observation is that this one has to come to this part, okay. And so the difference of this part is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 7 minus 1 is 6, okay. So the difference from how many steps it should take should be 6, should be equal to 6. Why I'm saying that the k should be a multiple of 6, okay. Now for this one, the k should be a multiple of 6, okay. Note this is very important observation, okay. For this one, k should be a multiple of 6, okay. Why I'm saying that? Because if it has to make 6 steps, okay, or it has to swap around the 6th position, so what it can do is it can choose like 3, okay. So let us take 3, so like 3, okay. This 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is also 3, okay. Now let us take 5, okay. 5 will not give the answer. Why? 7 minus 2 is 5, okay. So these two elements can be swapped, and but it cannot be swapped with the position at the index 1, okay. So always an element can be the possible k value for a particular element can be a multiple of its shift, can be a multiple of the difference between the position and the elements, okay. So the position is 7 and the element is 1, so 1 minus 7 is 6, and k should be a multiple of 6, okay. So here the k should be a multiple of 6, okay. For this, what should be k? K should be multiple of 3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, and here k should be a multiple of 0. Okay, because the 5 is in its correct position, we won't consider this case. 4 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. We won't consider it. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can see that all of these elements give the difference 3. Okay, but only this element gives 6. Okay, so we have to find the greatest common divisor, because what I said, that k should be a divisor of these numbers. Okay, these differences. Okay, k should be the divisor of these differences, 7 minus 1. Okay, and I have to find the greatest maximum value, because the question states that we have to find the maximum value of k, so that we can make this array sorted. Okay, so in such way, after calculating the GCDs of all these numbers, 3, 3, 3 and 6, okay, we can come up to an answer. Okay, the maximum value of k. So the code part, I won't. Okay, this is the code part of this problem. So what I have done is, you can calculate the GCD. In GCD is equal to 0, because the GCD of 0 and any number is equal to the number. And if I'm taking an element as an input, okay, and then I'm checking if I minus element is not equal to 0, you know that 5 minus 5 is should not be equal to 0, only then we will calculate the answer. If it is equal to 0, we won't calculate the answer. Okay, so then GCD is equal to, okay, GCD of GCD and abs of I. So we are basically we are calculating GCD of all the elements, abs of abs absolute of I minus element. Okay, thank you.